The question is, what does mediation have to do with divorce and family law proceedings? Come with me and I'll give you the secrets. Mediation in California is something that I recommend in many cases because it is less expensive and it gives the parties the opportunity to make the decisions for themselves instead of letting a judge who doesn't know them and who they don't know make decisions about their life. Mediation is where you hire a mediator, generally an attorney, sometimes a retired attorney, to meet with both sides to help them come to an agreement about what their divorce should look like. An agreement about the division of property and debts, an agreement about child custody and visitation, an agreement about child support and spousal support, even an agreement about attorney's fees and domestic violence restraining orders. What typically happens, and what I do, is I'm usually contacted by a person who wants to have a mediation instead of going to court and fighting about the divorce. I generally meet with both sides in the mediation, and I try to convince both sides to meet in the middle on most topics. Because there is a possibility that in California, if you go to court and you fight about every issue, the attorneys could end up with the majority of the estate. So mediation, where you meet 2 or 3 times, generally I charge a flat fee for mediation, and things are done, things are agreed to, and it's all filed with the court, and there's no fighting in court, and there's no trials, and there's no hearings. Is every case viable for mediation? Probably not, but I would say most are in the state of California. When you go through the court process, at some point, the judge in the family law case is going to order you to some type of mediation or settlement conference anyway. It's just part of the law. So what I would suggest that instead of fighting about everything at the beginning, if you get along with your spouse, and that's a big if, you might want to try mediation. Now, I have been involved with cases where one spouse is trying to take advantage of the other spouse in mediation. And if that's going to be the scenario, I recommend that both spouses be represented or have an attorney in mediation. I know that might defeat the purpose of having mediations and not having attorneys involved, but sometimes it's not a level playing field. I was involved not too long ago with a case where it was clear that the husband had to pay the spouse about $4,000 in spousal support per month. It was a long-term marriage, about 24 years. The husband told the wife, "I'm not going to give you more than $2,000 in spousal support." That was just his mediation position. He was playing hardball. To the wife's credit, she decided not to accept that deal and went to court, and it ended up getting a spousal support order of almost $4,000. So you have to be careful when you go to mediation to not just give up all of your rights and decide something just so you're not going to go to court. In that case, the husband had gambled that his wife would never go to court, but she decided to stand up for her rights and decided to go to court, and she's now, getting almost $4,000 a month in spousal support. The next email you're going to receive is going to have a video about prenuptial and postnuptial agreements. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-888-6582 or visit us at the web. And if you go to my website, you can download our book for free, Surviving Divorce in California.
For your free consultation, call the law offices of Vincent W. Davis and Associates today. 1-888-888-6582. That's 1-888-888-6582. Thank you for watching.